Nice. And he's got one too. And that one's Hiro. Hiro, nice job. Finally. All right, Hiro's got one. Hiro's got one. Another one, Hiro. Wow. Good job. Come on, Hiro. Nice. Nice job, Hiro. That's number 11. All right. Nice job. Congratulations. Yeah. Now to the Sushi Chef Institute.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our Sushi Chef Institute. Tonight we have a lot of reasons to celebrate. Chef Andy and Hiroyuki Terada have put together this sustainable dinner for all of you to enjoy. Maybe some of you are familiar with the term sustainable. It's something very important. It means eating without hurting the environment. I'm going to be talking a bit about that later on. But first, I want to introduce you to your two chefs of the night. First, I want to introduce Chef Andy Matsuda. Please give it up for Chef Andy. He is the CEO and chief instructor of the Sushi Chef Institute. He's our sensei here. And then we also have Chef Hiroyuki Terada. He's a YouTube personality with almost 2 million followers on YouTube. That's not easy. He also has the Guinness World Record with Gordon Ramsay for cutting 88 carrot slices in 30 seconds, blindfolded. What? I know. He also teaches sushi on YouTube, and he even makes sushi rolls from Big Macs. So he's very creative, very professional. And actually yesterday, it was his 10th-year anniversary as a YouTube star. Congrats, Miguel. So these two important master chefs, not only colleagues but also friends, got together to put all this menu that you are going to enjoy tonight. Chef Andy is going to speak some words here, please.
Hello, konbanwa. Thank you for coming today. We try to make a special dinner tonight, and sustainable. We support farm, support fishermen, and support a customer to learn more about our nature. And then also our Japanese skill, we need to pass on to a new generation. That's the whole thing and a concept we try to do. And all together to making a big circle to be a peaceful and an enjoyable dinner tonight. Thank you. Enjoy a dinner. Thank you.
Hiro, you're not gonna get away from this. Please come in, just say a few words. Say hi to our honorable guests.
May I sing in this one?
Ready?
Yeah, thank you for coming tonight. So me and Andy, our relationship lasts almost like 5 years. But anyway, tonight is a very special day. For the sushi, we're going to serve in the hamachi poke. So this hamachi is very, very special. Do you know why? Oh yeah. I caught yesterday in San Diego.
So they not only cook your food, but they also catch it. So please give it up for our chefs. They're gonna go back to the kitchen now, get your food ready. And I wanna talk to you about sustainability, what it is. These are some words from Chef Andy. So he says that today we need to think about our future business and how it impacts Mother Nature. We always must show appreciation for our Mother Nature at our table. We must keep our land and oceans clean and safe. We must take care of them. We have produced so many products and developed so many businesses. However, we never think of all the wastage and garbage they generate. All these have become a growing concern to our land and ocean creatures. It is true that we catch and eat these animals. We have been doing that for so many years. Today, we are overtaking and wasting a big part of them. We must think over again. How long can we be doing this? Maybe not too long. A sustainable dinner is possible if our wastage percentage is lower than 10% from animal products. By using seasonal items, we ensure that we don't take more than what Mother Nature can offer every season. The usage of reusable plates and utensils also reduces our impact in Mother Nature. Also, farming is a big thing for sustainability. One item that you guys are gonna be consuming tonight is the matsutake mushrooms. They actually grow under very particular conditions. So you may think that they are not a sustainable dish, but actually it can be sustainable resource if it's harvested using the right, the hand to carefully remove the mushroom, and if it's farmed, which it has been done. So throughout the night, I will be talking about some of the seafood that you guys are gonna be consuming and telling you how it is sustainable. Because there is this idea that the sushi industry cannot be sustainable because we're just overfishing and taking everything from the sea. But you'll see, there's more to it. So I'll be back later. I'm your host, I'm Miguel, and enjoy. have to introduce you to all these amazing guys here, chefs that are training here in our school right now. This wouldn't have been possible without them, so please give it up for them. They are very hardworking, passionate, and I know that when they finish the program, they're gonna do great things because they are extremely, extremely talented. This is probably one of the most talented classes that we've had so far, so. Woo! Also, I wanna introduce Edward. Edward, please come here at front. Come here, Edward. And Lenny. So this is Edward and Lenny. Edward he's a graduate from the school, actually. He graduated the school 10 years ago, and now he's back and now joined the team. He's the teacher assistant, and thank you, Edward. And then we have Lenny. Lenny also worked here for a while, then he had an accident, and now he's back again. He's also a professional chef, very, very organized with with a lot of experience. You know, they're the ones running everything, Chef Andy and Hiro and the students. So thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to serve you guys tonight. It was amazing. Thank you, please give it up for yourself. So maybe a few words from Chef Andy.
Wow.
Thank you for tonight. Wonderful, not only for everyone, even and staff people. First time on my kaiseki dinner we serve. Many consequences and the dishes and which one is, but it's fun together. But this is a whole life memory together. Thank you for Hiro-san and all the way to Florida and to have fun with us. And many guests is that we know in so many years. And thank you for support. And we're happy to do maybe 10 years later. Too soon. Thank you for tonight so much.
Wow.
Thank you for being there behind the scenes. Thank you for your support. We want to thank our sponsors. The Sushi Chef Institute has a lot of sponsors, and this is also possible thanks to them. Thank you for Hakutsuru. Woo! They're always the one that turn up the party, you know? You need that little alcohol so you can turn it up. And Maruhide, please. Thank you for the wonderful uni. If you guys want uni, that's the guy. So, yes, thank you all for coming. All our friends. Primetime Seafood, also, or Rivera Seafood Club, come on. Thank you so much. It's been a long night, okay? So, yeah, thank you all. Sean, our graduate too, for coming, bringing your friends. Our new friends also that heard about the dinner, and everybody. Welcome to the Sushi family. All of you that we've never met before and this is your first time. We hope to see you soon. Again, thank you.